Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about upgrading characters in Subway Surfer City. So let's dive in. Now in this version of the game, characters aren't just cosmetic. Upgrading them actually improves their performance, which means higher score potential and better overall runs. Now if you want to climb leaderboards or complete missions faster, upgrading your characters is something you definitely want to focus on. First, you need resources. Most upgrades require coins and special character credits or tokens, and you earn these by playing runs, completing daily missions, finishing challenges, and participating in events. The more consistently you play and complete objectives, the faster you'll stack up what you need. And once you've earned enough, you want to head to the character or server menu from the main screen, tap on the character you want to upgrade, and you'll see their current level along with the cost for the next upgrade. And if you got enough currency, just confirm the upgrade and their level will increase instantly. Now, as your character levels up, their score multiplier improves, which means every run becomes more rewarding. Higher levels can also unlock additional perks depending on the character, making them even more valuable over time. Just keep in mind that upgrade costs increase the higher you go, so it's smart to invest in the characters you use the most. Now, if you really want to speed things up, you want to focus on daily challenges and limited time events, since those usually give better rewards. And staying active is the fastest way to keep your upgrades rolling. That's basically it. Earn your coins and credits, head to the character menu, and keep leveling up your favorites to maximize your performance. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!